Hello, good morning. It's a lovely, beautiful Sunday morning. It's raining, it's windy. The beach has changed due to the sea defence work here. Our lovely sandy beach has turned into sand and stone, which is a real shame. Yeah, the stone is replacing the sand. But it's a horrible day here, and today is beach cleaning day, so it's going to be good fun. I've got my litter picker, and I'm wearing my high-vis coat and my Wellingtons as well, so it's going to be a nice day. We've got the other cleaners here. They're not wearing any high-vis or anything, they've got weather gear on, but that's it. Nearly here 10:30, and it's time we start, so it's most likely about a dozen of us here, maximum I think. Yeah.
Could you just sign this please, Alan?
Yeah, of course I can. Yeah. Sign my life away.
You do a lot to care for Cleveleys, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, my wife said that Alan Lock is on you. She said,
Yeah.
I've just seen something about Alan Lock here and care for Cleveleys.
Yeah. Well, it's all part of the care for Cleveleys anyway, isn't it?
I suppose it is really. We call it that umbrella these days. Although I like to think we're very independent.
Yeah.
Having Jane that's
Well, the thing is, we're both, we're both caring for Cleveleys, aren't we? You get my point, you know. Yeah.
All we need now is the
bags.
Yes, bags and people. Yeah. Aaron's up anyway. Yeah. Yeah.
We got 6 people. Hello, this is Alright.
Yeah. There's a lot of rubbish up where the shell is. So myself and Aaron's a good week ago.
I can tell you where there is a lot of rubbish. Because your lot, they cancel the other one. It's not actually, strictly speaking, our beach. Just the far side, the cap at the top end of the beach.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the Russell Beach cleaners.
Don't go wandering up there too far, otherwise you won't get back here.
No. Good morning.
Thank you very much for turning up in this appalling weather.
Yeah. Well, I used to be a postman. Yeah, I actually do security as well. And when you do patrols, either in or being a postman, you've got to be out in all weathers. Yeah. Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, yeah, so probably that's 6 today. 6 committed. Six of the committee. We've got about with the mic.
The committee. Yeah.
You want to sign the
Yeah, you've both got to ask you.
I didn't think you turned out this today. Very, very good of you. Very good. I know you said it's very good. Sign
Oh, we've got somebody down on the beach with the metal detector. Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would suggest we all stand here in the hole. And we're just driving about pulls up here instead of there today. All the stuff on the here.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah. Put it on there. Yeah, I'll when the van gets closer, I'll tell them to stop it.
So we've got somebody on the beach here doing metal detecting. Yep, yeah, another 3, I think. Yeah, it's Aaron, isn't it? Yep. Yep. Here we go, here's our equipment arriving. That's all our beach cleaning stuff. And all our rubbish will be taken away by the council after we've done the beach cleaning. I hope we don't find any dead porpoises on the beach today. Morning, Aaron. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll catch you later. Bye.